Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to be discussing how you're going to now be promoting your link on Twitter. We've already talked about ways that you can promote your link on Facebook. Well, once you actually get that going, you can also be promoting your link on Twitter. Now you are looking at the site twitter.com, and we are going to continue to build on all of the same rules that we have been talking about before. We've been talking about the fact that you want to be social in addition to sharing your link. You also want to be in the habit of befriending people who are going to be interested in your link. So now you might ask, now how do I find people who are going to be interested in my link? And we are going to follow many of the same patterns that we talked about inside of Facebook. We're going to be finding people who are going to be interested in our niche, and all we're really going to have to do is do a search for our niche and other keywords that are like this. So if you recall doing your keyword research, you want to continue to put those keywords inside of Twitter, and then you want to do searches on those keywords. So now let's just start with a basic one, dog training. And what we're going to find is we're going to find people who have dog training in their posts, people who are about dog training, and basically we want to befriend them. And so what we're going to do is we're going to follow these people, and we're going to eventually want them to follow us back. Now what's going to happen is some people are going to follow you and other people are not going to follow you. When you follow these people, you want to start thinking and you want to start looking at the people who are going to be following you back, because those are going to be the people who are going to see your post. And so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making sure that you are posting 3 very interesting things on dog training or on your niche or on the problems in dog training or whatever your niche is, your frequently asked questions. And then you're also going to be doing a promotional post. And I would say that to start you want to do, maybe you want to make your ratio 4 to 5 informational posts in addition to your promotional posts. And again, the more people that you have sharing your information, the more people that you have following you back, the more that you're going to have people who are going to be sharing your posts and reading them. Now, there are a number of tools to be used with Twitter, and there are a number of tools that will help you in this way. But for the most part, you want to get started following people who are interested in the subject of your niche. We could put in another keyword such as dog obedience. And again, not that dog training is the niche that you want to work in. You want to work inside with the keywords and the frequently asked questions of your niche, right? And so you want to be, and you also want to think about following people and having people follow you who are not necessarily professionals. You want people who are going to be interested in and who are going to buy what it is that you're looking for. So you're looking for people who are talking about the things that you are going to be selling to them. So again, the most important thing with Twitter, as it is with any other social network, is for you to be social by sharing with them valuable information, because those are going to be the people who are going to follow you back, and then also promoting your promotional posts. And again, you'll be using this shortened link that you got from Bitly. And you're going to basically, as you get ready to post, and I'm going to show you how to do that, you're just going to go right here at the top, and you're going to add in your message. Now, one of the things with Twitter is that you're only going to be allowed to type in 140 characters. So you're going to have to keep it short here. But again, all you really need are 3 sentences. And remember, those 3 sentences are going to be that you're going to identify with the problem, agitate the problem, and then talk about your solution. Very simple when you put it in there, because again, what you're doing is you're attracting attention for people who are going to be interested in what it is that you are offering. Now, if you don't have a Twitter account, one of the things that you want to be aware of is you're going to want to make sure that your profile is appropriate. Now, when you start talking about editing your profile, you start talking about putting in your profile, you may or may not necessarily want to put in something that's strictly about dog training. You want to test and see if a dog training related photo or header photo actually works, if it attracts more people. Your profile photo, you want it to be a real person. And in these areas, Okay, if you have information, if you have a website, you want to make sure it's placed in there, and you want to write in here what your interests are. Now, here's where you are going to want to type in, and you're going to want to put information in here about your niche, because when people search, just like we just did, you want them to find you. Okay, so again, make sure that that your profile is what we would call optimized. Again, you don't want to spend an inordinate amount of time on this, but you do want to spend some time making sure that your header photo is attractive, your profile photo is real, and your website in here, if you have one, is where you want people to go. Now, what you can do is you can put your link in there. I would suggest that you not put your affiliate link in there, but that if you have a website, that you put that link in here and make it clickable. Okay? So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.